Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display or add product prices in add to cart button in WooCommerce archive pages or single product pages using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page and then you see price, add to cart button. Now go to single product page. Now you see add to cart button. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then insert plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, then you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see text, button text from, and then you see button text just. So if you want you can add text according to your requirement. Now scroll up, you see product type variable product type show from, and other product type we are going to show text just. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Go to single product page and refresh the page. Now you see just $30 for other product type like simple product, and then you see variable product type, you see from text from $9. Now go to single product page, also you see add to cart just $33. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.